we will be calculating the median in case of discrete series. Now what we will do, first of all we will arrange the data in the ascending and descending order. Ascending or descending order. Right? Second, what we will do, we will convert the simple frequency series into cumulative frequency. So what we will do, we will find out the cumulative frequencies. Then we will determine the n plus 1 by 2th item of the series. After that, we will find out the corresponding median value of the n plus 1 by 2th of the series. So first of all, arrange the ascending and descending order, find out the cumulative frequency, find out the term by using this formula, and find out the corresponding median value. Now let's see with the help of example. Now this is the series given to you. You have to find out the median value. The size is given and the frequency is given. Size is given in the ascending order, so no need to convert it in the ascending order again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the frequency is given 2, 3, 8, 10, 12, 16, 10, 8 and 6. This is the discrete series. Now what you will do, you will find out the CF, that is the cumulative frequency. I've told you in the previous videos how to find out the cumulative frequency. So for the first, the cumulative frequency will be 2. For the second, it will be 2 plus 3. Cumulative means you will keep on adding. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 12, 35. 35 plus 16 is 51. 51 plus 10 is 61. 61 plus 8 is 69. 69 plus 6 is 75. Now we have done the ascending order. We find out the cumulative frequency. Now what is n? N is the summation of frequency, the f, summation f in case of discrete series. So summation f we find out, that is 75. You add all, you will get the 75 as your summation f. So now what we have to find out, the next step was n plus 1 divided by 2th item. So your n is 75. The number of observations are 75 plus 1 divided by 2, which gives you 76 divided by 2 is the 38th item. Now you have to see this 38th item in the cumulative frequency. Now the cumulative frequency in 35, 38 is not coming. 35 is less than 38, so this is not included in 35. So in what item this is included? It is included in 51. So 51 is the cumulative frequency for the median class. Now this is your median. Now you find out the corresponding median value of this frequency, which is 7. So your median here is 7. So it is very easy. You just have to find out the cumulative frequency. After cumulative frequency, you have to find out the n plus 1 divided by 2th item of the series, which is 38. Now 38 cannot come in 35 because it is less, so it cannot come in this cumulative frequency series, which is 35. So 38 will come in this series, that is 51, from 35 to 51. So it comes here. So you will find out the corresponding value of median to the cumulative frequency. So the value corresponding to the cumulative frequency is 7. So 7 is your median value. I hope you liked our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.